Hi, so today we're going to put together the big grinder. Right here, this is also a mixer and a grinder together. It's one of the biggest ones that you can get. It can do up to 100 kilos of meat. And today we're going to use this machine to grind about 60 kilos of meat. So here we have all the components that are going to be put together with this machine. We have a gasket that's going to go in the back. This is the mixer that mixes all the meat and spices together. This is the die. This is the blade. This is the collar that tightens everything up. This is the worm drive. And this is the housing. And these are the wrenches that I need to put everything together. So this is the gasket that goes in the back. Now we're going to put the worm drive. It goes into the hole and it fits into the back where that gasket was. So this is the attachment that's going to mix all the meat together. I put it in the square hole, and then over here we have a round hole that holds everything together right there. Now we're going to take a couple of these bolts, and these bolts are going to be secured here. Just a quick little tighten up so it doesn't move around. There we go. Now we're going to take this housing unit. The housing unit, you see, has something written on it, has a bottom and a top. So the top goes up like that. We take these two bolts and we fasten this on so it doesn't come off. We're going to lift this up a little bit. And once again, we use the wrench to make sure it's snug. Last couple of things, we have the blade and the plate. So the blade goes, the sharp blade goes out. And then we have the plate, and there's these notches that sort of fit together. And then the collar comes in, and we put the collar on. And we use this tool to snug up the collar. And the last thing is the splash guard. We put that on so it doesn't splash the blood all over the floor. And that's how you put together the big grinder.